Setting the baseline.
Confirmed. Reading is locked.
Install benchmark. Level is true.
Sample 07B confirms the marine clay.
Notch noted at 1.4 meters.
Logged. Excellent core recovery.
Keep it steady. Guide it in. Looks good, just a little to the left. Almost there, lower slowly.
Proceed with the lift on the starboard side. Tensioning process initiated on the port side. Readings are stable. Continue stressing.
Keep it steady. Check the angle.
Almost there. Tagline, ready.
Alignment confirmed. Good to go.
The sealant texture appears flawless. Check the embed integrity here.
Confirmed on the blueprints. The specified grade is maintained.
Logging it now. The readings on the waterproof joints are within tolerance. Moving on to the ventilation duct checks. Check the expansion joint stability.
Cable 1 is good.
Copy that. Check cable 2.
Powering up circuit 3 now. Stand clear. Confirmation. Lighting sequence initiating.
Readings look within tolerance. Confirming on tablet. Let's move to the joints. Activating macro lens now. System calibration confirmed. Status green. Let's check the strain gauges now.
The readings indicate a stable deflection curve.
Confirming the data matches our projections.
Proceed with the final segment of the test run.
Ventilation system running within parameters.
Copy that. Check the emergency lights and communications panel next.
Fire safety systems are green.
Proceed with final walkthrough.
The readings are stable, everything appears to be within tolerance. Excellent. Check the next section as well. On it.
Operational status confirmed. All systems running smoothly. Checking ventilation flow at Sector 3. Looks good. Sealant lines are perfect.